Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying something that many of us has probably seen it in the supermarket, grocery stores and refrigerator. But have you ever actually checked what is inside the bottle? So friends, this is Minute Maid Pulpy Orange. It looks like a refreshing orange juice drink and you can actually see the orange pulp floating inside the bottle. But here's the interesting part. This bottle contains only 10.5% of orange juice. So the big question is, does it actually taste like orange juice or is it more like a sweet orange drink? And what about the sugar? Let's open the bottle, pour it into the glass and see the pulp. Taste it and then go through the complete ingredient and nutritional information. So this is how the bottles look like. You can clearly see it. They have clearly mentioned everything in the bottle. This is the Minute Maid Pulpy Orange bottle. The front packaging is very bright and colorful with orange and blue section. We have the Minute Maid logo at the top and pulpy orange written prominently below it. There's also an orange graphic in the center with the juice splashing around it, which immediately tell you what flavor we are dealing with. The bottle contains 250 ml and now let's open it. Can you hear the seal breaking? See, I'll show you. Let's pour it into the glass because I want to see the texture properly. So friends, I am pouring it into the glass and there we go. You can see orange color and the pulp cell in the drink. It looks much more interesting when you pour it out compared with simply drinking it straight from the bottle. Now let's check exactly what we are drinking. The ingredients listed are water, orange juice 10.5%, reek from orange juice concentrated and orange pulp cell, acidity regulator 330 and 331. 3. Antioxidant 300, colors 110 and 102 and orange flavor, natural, nature identical and artificial flavoring substances. So the important point here is that the drink contains 10.5% of the orange juice rather than being 100% orange juice. Now let's look at the nutrition. So friends, I am going to take this bottle and look at the nutrition. The serving size is 200 ml while the bottle itself contains 250 ml. Per 100 ml, the drink provides 52 calories. Carbohydrates are 13.1 gram of which total sugar are 12.7 gram. Added sugar are 11.5 gram in per 100 ml. Total fat is 0 gram, protein is 0 gram and sodium is 9 mg per 100 ml. The label also states that for a 200 ml serving, the added sugar contributes to 46% of the RDA based on a 2000 calorie diet. And remember, this bottle is 250 ml. So if you drink the entire bottle, you're consuming more than one 200 ml serving. That's something worth keeping in mind. Now let's taste it. So friends, now I'm going to taste it. I'm taking a first sip. Okay, the first thing I notice is the sweet orange flavor. It definitely has an orange taste and the pulp give it a slightly different mouthfeel compared with a completely smooth orange drink. It is refreshing when it is chilled, and I understand why the bottle specifically recommend drinking it chilled. But the sweetness is quite noticeable. It doesn't taste like freshly squeezed orange juice. Instead, it has a sweet packaged orange drink taste with orange flavor and pulp. Personally, I think the pulp make it more enjoyable because you get something to chew slightly rather than just drinking a completely smooth liquid. But now comes the most important question. Is Minute Maid Pulpy Orange actually a good choice if you are looking for a healthier orange drink? Let's break down the benefit, the sugar, the ingredient, the pros and the cons and whether I think it's worth buying. And if you want to check the product online, I've kept the Amazon link in the description so you can check the current availability and the price, benefit, pros, cons, sugar, storage and final verdict. Now let's talk about the benefit first. The obvious benefit is convenience. You don't have to squeeze oranges, strain the juice or prepare anything. You simply chill the bottle, open it and drink. It also contains orange juice and orange pulp cells. So you're getting an actual orange component rather than just an orange flavor beverage with no orange juice. The pulp also gives the drink a more interesting texture. Another positive is that the drink contains 0 gram of fat and 0 gram of protein per 100 ml with only 9.6 mg sodium per 100 ml. However, the biggest thing to pay attention to here is the sugar. The drink contains 12.7 gram of total sugar in per 100 ml including 11.5 gram of added sugar per 100 ml. That means the sweetness isn't coming only from the naturally occurring sugar in the orange component. There is also added sugar. And because the bottle is 250 ml, drinking the whole bottle means consuming more than the stated 200 ml serving. So if you are watching your sugar intake, this is definitely something to consider. Now let's look at the pros. The first pros is the pulp. You can actually see orange pulp cells in the drink and that gives a more authentic pulpy texture. Second is the convenience. It's ready to drink and it is easy to carry. Third, it is a good chilled. When served cold, it is refreshing, particularly on a hot day. Fourth, familiar orange flavor. If you enjoy sweet packaged orange drink, this has a flavor profile and that should be quite easy to like. Fifth is clearly labeled nutrition information. You can see the calorie, carbohydrate, sugar, added sugar, fat, protein, and sodium on the pack. Now the cons. The first and the biggest one is the added sugar. At level 0.5 gram of added sugar per 100 ml, this isn't something I will treat the same way as drinking freshly squeezed orange juice. Second, the actual orange juice content is 10.5%. So despite the strong orange imagery on the front, it's important to understand that this is not 100% orange juice. Third, it contains colors 110 and 102 along with natural, nature identical and artificial orange flavoring substances. Some consumers may prefer beverages without added colors or flavoring substances, so this is worth checking if that matters to you. And finally, the bottle is only 250 ml, so it is relatively small serving, especially if you are buying it for a family. Storage. The bottle say it tastes well when it's chilled. After opening, it should be kept refrigerated under hygienic condition and you need to consume it within 5 days. It also say to store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and not to buy the product if the cap seal is broken. Final verdict. So what my final opinion? I think Minute Maid Pulpy Orange works well if you are looking for a convenient, sweet and pulpy orange drink that you can chill and enjoy it immediately. The taste is pleasant and the orange flavor is also noticeable and I like the pulp because it gives the drink some texture. But if you're specifically looking for a 100% orange juice or a low sugar drink, this isn't the same thing. The label clearly tells us that the drink contains 10.5% orange juice and it contains 11.5 gram of added sugar in per 100 ml. So for me, this is more of an occasional refreshing beverage rather than something I will automatically choose as a daily substitute for whole oranges or freshly prepared juice. And that distinction is important. If you enjoy the taste and don't mind the added sugar, it is a convenient option. If you're buying it mainly because you think you are getting pure orange juice, make sure you can check that 10.5% orange juice figure before making your decision. If you want to check the current price and availability, I have kept the Amazon link in the description. Now, tell me in the comment, do you like orange juice with pulp or do you prefer completely smooth orange juice? And if you have tried Minute Maid Pulpy Orange, let me know what you think about the taste. And if you found this review helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who enjoys orange drink and subscribe to the channel for more honest food and product review. And don't forget to check the end screen for the next review. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye friends.